Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you could delete your Bing browsing history if it has been used, for example, as a memory or reference on Copilot inside your Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you don't want Copilot here on Edge to use your browsing history on Bing here via Microsoft Edge as your reference or as reference and memory inside or for conversations and interactions you have with Copilot, this is how you can disable this feature. Navigate to your browsing settings or browser settings on Edge, click into settings here. And here guys, on the left hand side, navigate to appearance, scroll down to the very bottom and select Copilot in sidebar. Here click into app specific settings Copilot and next manage Copilot settings. That is going to open up that communication panel. However guys, instead of communicating, you will be redirected to these Copilot settings. So click into privacy and after that select export or delete history. Before you do that guys, you may also disable this feature so that Copilot stops using your conversations and search behavior in browsing history on Bing as reference in memory. And after that, you may also export or delete your history. To delete it, click into this button and you will be redirected to this feature here guys. Make sure that you log in on Microsoft, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.